Question number 2 of the same exercise. Find the value or evaluate the followings. Now, number 1, 9 to the power 3 by 2. First, we solve this 9 to the power 3 by 2. Factor of 9, you can write it as 3 into 3, 3 into 3 to the power 3 by 2. It is equal to, this 3 is present twice, then you can write 3 to the power 2 and whole to the power 3 by 2. It is equal to 3 to the power, you will multiply these two exponents, 2 into 3 by 2. 2 cancel, 2 1 is 2. It is equal to 3 to the power 1 into 3, 3. 3 to the power 3, that is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. It is equal to 27 and this is the answer. Now, number 2, 32 to the power 2 by 5. You can write the factor of 32 as you have seen the factor, prime factorization of 32 in the previous question, question number 1. And it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 5 times. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32. And whole to the power 2 by 5. It is equal to 2 is present 5 times, then 2 to the power 5 and whole to the power 2 by 5. It is equal to 2, exponent should be multiplied, 5 into 2 by 5. This 5 1 is 5. It is equal to 2 and its exponent 2 1 is 2. 2 to the power 2, that is 2 into 2, it is equal to 4 answer. Now number 3, you have to solve it. Its answer will be 8. You have to solve it. Now number 4, I am going to solve. 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. As in the previous question, you have seen the prime factorization of 125. It is 5 3 times. That is 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. Whole to the power minus 1 by 3. It is equal to 5 to the power 3 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. It is equal to 5 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3. This 3 1 is 3. It is 5 to the power 1 into 1 1 and its sign is negative minus 1. To make this exponent positive, you will write the reciprocal, that it is 1 by 5 to the power 1. When you write 1 numerator and this 5 by denominator, exponent will be 1 positive. And it is 1 by 5 to the power 1, that is 5. It is the answer. Now question number 3, simplify these questions. Now I am going to solve this question number 1. 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. Now see, bases are same and both are multiplied. That means you will add the exponents and you will write only one base. That is, it 2 and its power will be 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. From this formula, a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. Like this. Now, solve this exponent. These two base remain as it is. You will take the LCM since these two are the fractions, and to find the sum, you have to take the LCM. The LCM is 3 5 is 15. After that, cross multiply. That is 5 into 2, 5 2 is 10 plus 3 1 is 3. It is equal to 2 to the power 10 plus 3, 13 by 15. This is the answer. Now number 2, 1 by 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 7. You can write this as, this 7 it is power for this 1 and for this 3 to the power 3. You will write the separate exponent for both. It is 1 to the power 7 by 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 7. 1 to the power 7, that means you will multiply 1 7 times and you will get 1 by this 3 There are two exponents, 3 and 7. Multiply these two. 3 into 7. It is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 3 7 ja 21. This is the answer. Or you can write answer as, if you want to bring this in the numerator, then it will be 3 to the power minus 21. This is also answer. Now number 3, 11 to the power 1 by 2 by 11 to the power 1 by 4. It is equal to 11 to the power, as you know this formula, a by a to the power m by a to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m minus n. That means you will subtract both the exponent when both are divided and bases are same. Now your basis is 11, then 11 and subtract these two, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Solve this exponent. 11, take the LCM, 2 4 ja 8, cross multiply 4 1 ja 4 minus 2 1 ja 2. It is equal to 11 to the power 4 minus 2, 2 by 8. Simplify this 2 and 8, 2 by 8, 2 and 8 are divisible by 2, therefore 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. Then it is equal to 11 to the power 1 by 4. And this is the answer. Now 4. Now fourth number, 7 to the power 1 by 2 into 8 to the power 1 by 2. Exponents are same but bases are different. That means you will write only one exponent and multiply the bases. Like this, a to the power m into b to the power m, it is equal to a into b whole to the power m. In the same way, here 7 into 8, 7 into 8 and whole to the power 1 by 2. 7 8 ja 56 to the power 1 by 2, and this is the answer.